Today we are going to talk about the urinary system. What is urinary system? Urinary system जो हम जानते हैं कि इसका रोल सिर्फ एक्सक्रीशन पर्पस से ही है या एक्सक्रीटिव पर्पस से ही है या इसका जो काम सिर्फ यूरिन को एक्सपेल आउट ही करना है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है। इसके अलावा बहुत से फंक्शंस हैं जो कि यूरिनरी सिस्टम सरंजाम देता है, जैसा कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल होम्योस्टेसिस, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट बैलेंस में, पीएच मेंटेन करता है, इसके अलावा ब्लड प्रेशर को रेगुलेट करता है, आरबीसीज की प्रोडक्शन में इरेथ्रोपोइटन जो कि एक हार्मोन है रोल प्ले करता है, वो इसका प्रिंसिपल आर्गन यूरिनरी सिस्टम का किडनी वो प्रोड्यूस करता है एथ्रोपोइटन। एंड देन रेनिन जो कि ब्लड प्रेशर को रेगुलेट करने में रोल प्ले करता है, वो किडनी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। तो दीज आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ यूरिनरी सिस्टम, बट द एक्सक्रीटरी फंक्शंस वो सिर्फ यूरिनरी सिस्टम ही सरंजाम नहीं देता। इसके अलावा 4 हमारे पास और ऑर्गन्स हैं या सिस्टम्स हैं जो कि रोल प्ले करते हैं एक्सक्रीशन में। अब एक्सक्रीशन क्या होती है? एक्सक्रीशन वो एक्सक्रीटरी की चीज को एक्सक्रीट करना बॉडी से। अब एक्सक्रीट क्या चीज हो रही होती है? जैसे कि वेस्ट जो कि मेटाबॉलिक वेस्ट है, जो कि हमारी बॉडी की एक्सेस नीड में हो, या फिर जो कि एक वेस्टलेस हो या कि वेस्ट हो हमारी बॉडी के लिए, जो कि यूजलेस हो, हमारी बॉडी उसको यूज ना कर पाती हो, या जो यूज करने के बाद जो बाकी चीज बचती है दैट इज कॉल्ड वेस्ट, उसको बोलते हैं मेटाबॉलिक वेस्ट। अब मेटाबॉलिक जो वेस्ट है वो यूरिनरी सिस्टम ही रोल प्ले नहीं करता उसमें, उसको एक्सक्रीट करने में। उसके अलावा और भी बहुत से ऑर्गन्स हैं, सिस्टम्स हैं। उन सिस्टम में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्किन स्वेटिंग के थ्रू एक्सक्रीट कर रही होती है। जीआई सिस्टम ये वेस्ट को रिमूव कर रहा होता है। एंड देन रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को जो कि वेस्ट है हमारी बॉडी से माउथ के थ्रू नोज के थ्रू जो है वो एक्सपेल कर रहा होता है। एंड फोर्थ वन, दिस इज यूरिनरी सिस्टम। These 4 organs are responsible to excrete the wastes from the body. Now we will discuss about the principal organs of urinary system. What are the principal organs? Urinary system consists of two kidneys, right and left. This is right kidney, this is left kidney. There are 2 adrenal glands which rests on each kidney. These are adrenal gland. The 2 kidney, the principal organ of urinary system, which are 2 kidney, right kidney and is left kidney. 2 ureters, 1 urinary bladder which is reservoir of urine, and 1 is urethra. These are ureters. This is urinary bladder. Of course, this is bladder, but this is a urinary bladder. The other one is a part of GI system, that is called gallbladder. This is urinary bladder, and this is urethra. But we will focus on kidney because it is a principal organ, the main organ of urinary system, that is kidney. If we see the structure of kidney, then we have to study the single nephron. But before going to in detail of nephron, we will study the structure of kidney. First, we will see the different layers which cover the each kidney. Each kidney is composed of different structures. The kidney is covered by three connective tissues layer. The outer layer, that is adipose layer, and the inner layer, that is fibrous adipose capsule. The outer layer is renal fascia. The inner layer, that is adipose capsule, and the most inner layer, this is the renal capsule. These structure cover and as well as protect the kidney from different infections or trauma or injuries. Of course, each kidney, the lateral surface of kidney, this is convex shape, and the medial surface is the concave shape. This is the medial. Concave shape. Medially, it has a hilum. This is a hilum where ureter, different vessels, vein, arteries, and lymphatic vessels enter into kidney. This is hilum. Each kidney, the right kidney is slightly lower than left kidney. Why right kidney is slightly lower than left kidney? Because superiorly occupy the space by liver. That's why right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. When we see the length of each kidney, the length of each kidney, that is 12 centimeter long, and width 5 centimeter width, and thickness 2.5 centimeter thick, and the weight of each kidney, that is 160 gram of each kidney, and the weight of each kidney, that is 160 gram, and it's look like a bath soap. This is the structure of kidney, and we will see the structure in detail of kidney later. Now I am going to draw the structure of kidney. Each kidney is divided into two zones. The outer zone and inner zone. The outer zone, this is the outer zone. This is called the cortex, renal cortex. And the inner zone, this is cortex, and this is medulla. Medulla also consists of, this is medulla, this is outer medulla, and this is inner medulla. Again, listen. Each kidney consists of two zones. The outer zone, this is cortex. The inner zone is the medulla. Medulla also consists of inner medulla as well as outer medulla. And each kidney has different or 6 to 10 renal pyramids. What is renal pyramids? What are pyramids? Pyramids are broad base structure and conical. The other end is conical. This is broad base, which is facing towards the renal cortex, and the conical shape which is facing toward the medulla. And each kidney has 6 to 10 renal pyramids. And these pyramids collect the urine from different nephrons two and third broad base pyramids and conical the other end. Fourth one, and this is fifth one, and this is sixth one. These 6 are called renal pyramids. Broad base, which is facing towards the renal cortex, and conical shape, which is facing towards the medulla. Each renal pyramid collects the urine and it opens into a funnel-like, a cup shape. This is called calyx. Calyx, a tube. This is called calyx. One is calyx, and more than one, that is called calyces. One renal pyramid, it consists of different tubules and the broad base and conical the other end. Broad base which is facing towards the renal cortex, and the cone shape which is facing towards the medulla. And each pyramid is open into a cup shape, that is minor calyx. This is called minor calyx. Minor calyx. 2 or 3 minor calyxes. Two or three minor calyx form a major calyx. These are major calyx. These are major calyxes. And 2 or 3 major calyx form into renal sinus. And this renal sinus to form a renal pelvis, and this area is renal pelvis, which collects the urine, and these ureters carry out the urine and it conveys to the urinary bladder from each kidney. These are the renal pelvis. So let's summarize it. This is kidney. Kidney is divided into 2 portions. The outer zone portion or zone, The outer zone is cranial cortex, the inner zone is medulla. Medulla again consists of two parts. One is which is facing towards the cortex, that is called outer medulla, and the part which is facing towards the ureter, this is called inner medulla. Each kidney consists of 6 to 10 renal pyramids. These are pyramids, 6 to 10. Each pyramid has a broad base which is facing towards the renal cortex, and a conical shape which is facing towards the inner medulla. It has different renal tubules. These tubules open into cup shape. This is called minor calyxes. Minor calyxes or minor calyx. हर ट्यूब माइनर कैलेक्स में ओपन होती है. माइनर कैलेक्स 2 या 3 माइनर कैलेक्स मिलके एक मेजर कैलेक्स बनाते हैं. मेजर कैलेक्स 2 और 3 मेजर कैलेक्स मिलके रेनल पेल्विस बनाते हैं, और ये फाइनली ड्रेन इनटू रेनल पेल्विस. रेनल पेल्विस फिर जो है वो यूटर में जो है वो सारा जो यूरिन फॉर्मेशन होती है वो सारा उसमें ड्रेन आउट कर देती है. इवेंचुअली यूटर it takes into urinary bladder. This is the structure of kidney. लेकिन ये काम कैसे करता है, इसका फंक्शन यूनिट क्या है? Each kidney contains 1.2 million nephron. What is nephron? Nephron is the structure or functional unit of kidney. अगर हमने इस नेफ्रॉन की स्ट्रक्चर को देखना है तो हम बजाय पूरे नेफ्रॉन